For reading today, you guys have a few different choices to demonstrate what you already know about our topic in Unit 7. By the way, what is our topic in Unit 7? That's right, we are talking about space, the planets, our solar system, and beyond. Astronomy, all those things are correct. And I'm so glad that you guys have been so engaged with this one. I feel like you guys have learned a lot and that you even brought a lot to the table to just add to our discussion. But today you're going to have several different choices to demonstrate what you know. You may do one of them really, really well, or you may have time to do a couple of them. But as I said before, you're going to want to use your time wisely. If you choose to do something that is only a sentence, that is not going to take you this whole time, and you better find something else to work on. You hear me? You hear me? I hope you do. Okay. All right. So here are the 7 choices, and then there's an 8th assignment. But here are your 7 different choices, and you're going to have to visualize with me because I didn't have time to make examples. So here you go. All right, so the first choice is to create a poster. Choice number 1 is to create a poster about something from Unit 7. So this could be drawing our solar system and labeling it. This could be telling us about the solar system. It could be explaining what the Milky Way is. It could be talking about the Hubble telescope. Anything that came out of Unit 7, making a poster. And I have large pieces of paper for you to make posters on. The second thing is to make a new constellation with crayons and construction paper. So remember, constellations are in the sky. They are basically connect the dots for stars, and they connected these to mythological stories or any stories or just familiar shapes. So this assignment is for you to take a shot at making your own constellation. I have construction paper and you can use your crayons. You'll need to use a yellow or white to draw your stars and then connect it out and name it. What is this constellation? Choice number 3 is to create another solar system to make up your very own solar system. You can use computer paper to do this, or if you want to use some construction paper, that's fine too. But you're making up your own solar system. So as many planets as you choose, name the planets, draw the ones that are big and the ones that are small, mark their orbit around the sun. Is there one sun? Is there 2 suns? That's totally up to you in making this new solar system. All right, next thing is to make a planet for sale poster, small poster. Planet for sale. So you're going to have to come up with the name of a planet. You're going to have to draw the planet, you're going to have to describe the planet, and you're going to have to put a price on it. You could do this either with an existing planet in our solar system if you want to use that information, or if you want to make up your own, that is acceptable too. All right, almost done. Next thing is writing. You can write on a piece of notebook paper about the most interesting thing you have learned so far. The most interesting thing you have learned so far. So this one will be in a paragraph or in a journal style on notebook paper. Okay. The next thing is going to be search for a book on Myond about astronomy or space or any of these topics that we covered. So this one would be on your device. Go to ClassLink, Myond app, and find any books on space. The last thing is going to be a collaboration thing. On the back table, I have a large piece of chart paper, and I have some markers out. This is what we're going to call our graffiti wall. All this means is that you will add a word or 2 that you have learned from our text. Now, I really want everybody to participate in this one since it's only 1 or 2 words each. Now, but you're not going to be able to all go back there at the same time. Obviously, if you can handle it, then great. Go on your own when you have a chance. If not, Ms. Vines will set up a system to make sure everybody has a chance to add to it, but we are not all piling around. And Lord help me if my markers are not in the basket. Anyway, the markers stay in the basket. They are for the graffiti wall only. They are not for your posters. You can use your own markers for your posters or your crayons. All right. So the last and the eighth option, if you cannot handle this free choice, then you or Miss Vines can choose to assign you to iReady reading. And we all know what working on iReady looks like. It's you and your device and your headphones and no talking. So if you choose to do it, yay for you. If you are struggling with classroom behavior, then Miss Vines is going to assign it to you. All right. I have all these spelled out again on the next slide, but I will be, please do take these up. They are going to go on the back bulletin board to show our learning in Unit 7.